guys, I'm Zesty. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting day because this is my very first thrifting haul video. Woohoo! Yay! I really wanted to do this video because I feel like I know a lot of people who want to thrift but don't really want to because they don't know all the ins and outs, or maybe they find it kind of a hassle to go through things. And especially now during COVID, I can see why people don't want to touch other people's stuff that they don't want anymore. But I think that thrifting is absolutely great for many, many reasons. One being that you can find a lot of really great vintage finds. You can find things for a lot cheaper than buying them new. You're reducing your footprint, which is amazing for the environment, for Earth. And the main thing that I love about thrifting is that it sparks creativity, and there's so much that you can do with a thrifted find. If you're into DIYing, then thrifting is for you. If you're into buying things for a cheaper price, then thrifting is for you. If you enjoy finding vintage finds, thrifting is for you. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is doing a little thrifting haul. So showing you the last couple of items that I have purchased from the thrift store. And I'm also going to be doing a little mini thrift flip. Right, it would be really nice if I could speak English today. I'm going to be doing a mini thrift flip for you guys. There we go. Just to show you how easy it can be to flip something from the thrift store. All right guys, if you guys like the video, make sure to click the like button, click the notification, subscribe, all of that fun stuff. It really does mean a lot to me, and I am so thankful for all of you who already subscribed and already liked my videos. It is just fills my heart. So thank you guys, love you guys. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so item number one is this little dish tray, and I think that it is for chips and dip type of thing. So I think it would be really good to put in like hummus or some sort of dip in here, and then maybe some chips or some carrots or veggies. I really like it. It looks like a really nice unique piece, and it was only $1. I was obsessed as soon as I saw it. So this is item number one. Okay, so my next item or items are plates that I just got. So these are the plates that I got. So what I love about these plates is I was able to find 7. So what I find is when I go to the thrift store and I'm looking for dishware or glasses or things like that, I like to buy things in sets if I can. And these plates in particular, I was able to find 7, which I love. The reason why I got 7 is because I wanted a set of 6. I find it always really nice to be able to have an extra one just in case you break it or, you know, something happens to it. And they were only 75 cents each. These are hand decorated and made in Japan. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, which makes these absolutely fantastic. Okay, so the next item is another plate. Look at this beauty. When I saw this, I immediately was like, oh, how has nobody picked this up? So this says it's Ainsley & Co. So you can see right there, this is made in England. The detail is so nice and it is in great condition. I picked this up for $5, and I think I'm gonna have to display it somewhere because it is just so beautiful. So yeah, I love this plate. Okay, so my next item is this beautiful little candle holder, and this was only $1. I love when blues and browns are mixed together, and this is just so beautiful to me. I'm so obsessed with this. So this was a really great buy for $1. Like, this is why I love thrifting. Okay, my next item is this gorgeous picture frame. This picture frame is actually extremely heavy. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but I love the detail on it. It did look like it got a little bit scuffed. I think what I'm gonna do is paint over it and just kind of give it a little bit of a facelift. And this was $3. Price-wise, I think it's a good price. It is a heavier frame, so it does feel like a good quality frame. So I think that $3 is an appropriate price for this piece. Okay, my next item is this little velvet jewelry box. So it's pretty small. A lot of times when I travel and go away, I really struggle with where I'm gonna put my jewelry, and I end up putting it all in like a little pouch, and then it just kind of gets mixed together with other stuff, and it's not very good. So I really like this because I think this is perfect for traveling, for, you know, putting your rings and your earrings and things, and it's really, really light. This only cost me $2, which is a great, great price for this, and I'm super happy with it. Okay, so my next item is actually going to be my item that I'm going to be doing the mini thrift flip on. It is this little jewelry box. So at first glance, it looks like there's 2 drawers, but there's really only 1 drawer, which is this one here. So that comes out. And the top opens like that. I'll just show you the inside. So it's got a little space for rings and things like that. It's got this little mirror. I think I might get rid of it, to be honest. Ooh. But I really love the handles on it, and I love that it's made of real wood. This only cost me $2, which I think is an amazing price for something like this, and I think that we can flip this and make it look absolutely amazing. Okay, so the next items that I want to show you are all the beautiful candle holders that I found. So I was able to find 2 of these. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous candle holders. I love these. They are so, so beautiful. So I actually got these for $1 each, which I think is an amazing price. The quality is great, and I absolutely love the color. These are the other 2 candle holders that I found, and these were 50 cents each. This candle holder here was $1. I really like the design and the height of it, and I think it'll look really good with all of the other candle holders all kind of, you know, dispersed amongst each other. So I really, really like this piece. This next and final item is my favorite thrifted find to date. It is this gorgeous rocking chair. I am so obsessed with it. I don't even know why I'm so obsessed with this chair, but when I saw it, it like spoke to me. I was like, oh my gosh, this is my chair and I need it and I love it. I love everything about it. At first glance, I was like, oh, maybe I'll reupholster it or I'll refinish the wood or something, but I brought it home, and the more I look at it, the more I love it. So I am not gonna actually refinish it at all. I think it's perfect the way it is. This rocking chair was $75. So this is the most expensive item that I've ever purchased at a thrift store. I don't think I've spent more than like 40 bucks on something at a thrift store. The other thing that I found out was that rocking chairs are really, really expensive when you buy them new, and I've seen some vintage ones online for up to $600, which is mind-blowing to me that I was able to find a piece like this for $75. At this point, it is worth way more than $75 to me just because I love it so much. As Marie Kondo would say, it sparks joy in me, and that's all I need. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I made this little jewelry box look like this. The first thing I did was clean and disinfect it, and then I removed the mirror on the top of the jewelry holder as well as all of the velvet that was inside the jewelry box. And I also removed the handles and the hinges. After that, I gave it a very light sanding so that the paint would adhere nicely to it. I also made sure to wipe it down really well before painting it. I used this serene blue acrylic chalk paint for the first coat, and I made sure to let it completely dry. For For the second coat, I used some paint, but I toned it down with some warm white paint so that the jewelry box would have a two-tone effect. I used a sponge brush to apply the second coat, and I only did a thin layer of it. Once it was completely dry, I used some sandpaper to distress it. For the inside of the jewelry box, I used this fabric that I had because I liked how it had some blue in it. I used this old file folder and traced out the shape of the velvet onto it first. And then I use this fabric glue to adhere the fabric to the folder pieces. When gluing the back pieces, I use both fabric glue and my glue gun for fast drying. After all of my pieces were dry, I glued them into the jewelry box using my glue gun. I knew I wanted to keep the ring holder, so I put it back in the same spot as it was before and attached the sides back with my glue gun. After I was done that, I reattached all of the handles and the hinges to the jewelry box. And here is the finished product. I love the way that this turned out. I think it looks so cute. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to comment down below and let me know. Also, subscribe to the channel, like the video. It does really help me a lot. All right, guys, have an amazing week, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.